Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's query is, an e-commerce company has observed a notable surge in return orders recently. To address this issue, they want to identify customers who have returned more than 50% of their orders. Write a SQL to find the list of customers along with their return percentage. Display the output in ascending order of customer name. To write this query, we have two tables, orders and returns. In orders, we have customer name, order date, order ID, sales. In returns, we have order ID, return date. The output expected here is we have to find the customer names who have returned more than 50% of their orders. Let's write the query. Here we have two tables and we want data from both the tables. So need to join these two tables. Here we are joining on left join because we want all the data from orders table and matching records from the returns table. Select from orders table. I'm naming this as O. Left join. Returns table. I'm naming this as OR. The common column between these two tables is order ID. So I'm joining on order ID on O dot order ID equals to R dot order ID. In output, I want customer name. So I'm taking customer name. Next, we want to find the return percentage. How we can find the return percentage? Number of return orders divided by total number of orders into 100, we get the return percentage. To find this, I'm using a function count. Count of R dot order ID divided by count of O dot order ID into 100. I'm naming this as return percentage. The whole data we are grouping on customer name. Group by customer name. Next, we want to find only customer names we have returned more than 50% of their orders. Having count of R dot order ID number of return orders should be greater than 50% of total number of orders. 0.5 into count of O dot order ID. We are sorting the data in ascending order of customer name. Order by customer name ascending. Let's run the query. So we got all the customers who have returned more than 50% of their orders. Let's solve another query. A software company wants to award employees based on number of projects completed by each individual each month. Write a SQL to find the best employee for each month along with number of projects completed by him or her in that month. Display the output in descending order of number of completed projects. To write this query, we have a table projects. In that we have project ID, employee name, project completion date. The output expected here is we want to find the employees who has done the highest number of projects in each month. For example, in our data we have that we have data for December, January and February. So we have to find the employees who have done the highest number of projects in December, January and February. Let's write the query. I'm writing the query using CTE. Write CTE as select from projects. So we want employee name. Next, we want to find the number of projects done by each employee. For that, I'm using the function count. Count star. I'm naming this as number of projects. Next, for partitioning of the data on each month for particular year, I'm extracting the year and month from project completion date using the function format. Project completion date we wanted in the format by I'm naming this as year, month. Whole data we are grouping on employee name and year, month. Let's run the query and see the output. So we got employee and number of projects they have done in each year and month. Next, we have to find the employees who have done the highest number of projects in each month. For that, I'm writing one more CTE1 as select star. To find that highest number of projects, I'm using the window function dense rank. Dense rank over partitioning the data based on year, month. Partition by year, month. Sorting the data based on number of projects in descending order so that highest number of projects will be on the top and it will be given as rank 1. Order by number of projects descending. I'm naming this as rank from CT. Now let's run the query and see. Select star from CTE1. So we got employees, number of projects and their particular rank. So for the December month, Ankit has got the first rank and for January Shilpa and for February Mukesh. So we want only these 3 employees. Let's write our main query. We want employee name, number of projects, year, month. So here the filter is the rank should be 1, where r equals to 1. The whole data is sorting on number of projects descending. Let's run the query. So we got the employees who have done the highest number of projects in each